This is me. I am a content creator for the last 3 years, but lately I feel uninspired and a bit lost, you can say. Being overwhelmed by the trends, the algorithm of fast-paced how-to, where, why, the smallest, the biggest, the best video possible around my main screen. And even though I have more than enough equipment to start create YouTube videos, having the best or the newest equipment is not the solution to this problem. At least not for me. With all this around, I felt less and less motivated to go out and shoot, to make something that I really enjoy and not trying to trick the algorithm or to make my next big viral hit. It felt like I was brainwashed actually. But today I will try to change this with a trip to the mountains with my friends and no plan other than enjoy the filming process in the nature doing what I love.
Seem to understand my search for freedom, my peaceful gaze. People seem to
I had more than a year to see snow, and we're heading to the mountain, so this finally will change today.
make perfect sense. Destination doesn't really matter. As much as the road to get there.
Ολόφρεσκο είναι. Ολόφρεσκο είναι. Το σκέφτομαι. Τώρα τρέχει καιρό αυτό. Action είναι, δεν είναι GoPro. Flying the FPV in the cold is cold. It's really cold. I was just chased by a big horde of sheep and goats. I stopped to make my camera on the car, like outside, and They are coming really fast all together in me, but luckily I managed to go inside the car really soon. But they looked a bit angry. I don't know. I don't know. So this is the beginning of the Samaria Gorge, the national park we have here in Crete. Right there is the beginning.
If I can keep something from this trip is that every day of your life can be a great future story, but you have to make the first step.
And the trip to the mountains came to an end. See you in the next one. Ciao.